there, I have here a pump that can help you with, circulating water either in a pond or little pool or something of that nature. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you this in our pond and some of these different attachments and what they look like so that you have a better idea of if this will be something that would work good in your pond. It also comes with 2 mesh bags that you can put over the pump if you have fish in your pond like I do. So this is the attachment I had on it in the first clip, and this pushes a lot of water. It does have a plus and minus valve in the front, so you can either increase the volume or reduce the volume of water that is coming out of the pump. Here's one of the attachments. So this is what it looks like on high, and then when I turn it back down, you'll see it go lower. So it can really throw quite a bit of water. All the bits were similar, they just had different amounts of water it pushed out. And that clear one made a little tiny stream. It was crazy.